This home is brought to you by Roxana Shepley. If you would like to learn more about how your home could be listed by Roxana, visit her at www.roxanashepleyrealtor.com or call 478-256-3120. Welcome home. House features: large kitchen west/tile BK splash and new dishwasher, 6.6 by 7.35 mud area off kitchen, second living area can be used for office, exercise room or guest bed, large mst.bed, 2 bedrooms upstairs have separate baths, bath/laundry room on main level has a 7 by 5 custom tile roll and shower for wheelchair, 20.53 x 10.93 deck, relax on hot days in your 22 by 40 in-ground pool, 34 by 12 outbuilding, all on a 2.49 acre lot. Yard extends past the in-ground pool to the corner and into the woods on back.